In this short video, we're going to be looking at Scratch. Scratch is a website that teaches us how to code. We can use it to create short animations, interactive stories, presentations, or even our very own video games. I'm sure many of you will have used Scratch before, and you might even have your own username and password. If you don't worry, you don't need a username or password to use Scratch. If you have got a username or password, sign in now by clicking Sign In, entering your username and your password, and clicking Sign In. Once you're logged in, or if you're using it without logging in, go to the top of your website and click Create. This will create a new project. If there is a green rectangle with a picture of a bird in it, just close that by clicking the X button. On your screen, you should have some coloured circles down the left-hand side. Next to that, some blue rectangles, which we call blocks. These are sets of instructions that we can use to program our computer game or our animation or interactive story. In the middle is a big white rectangle. This is the area where we put our code in. And on the right-hand side is a picture of a cat, and this is what we call a sprite. Now you can change your character or your sprite to whatever you want. You do this by clicking the cat icon at the bottom right-hand side of your screen and clicking the Choose a Sprite button. Today I'm going to just use the cat, and I think unless you've done this before, you do the same. We're going to make our cat speak in this video. So to do that, we need to start off by going to Events. Clicking on the left-hand side of your screen, look at the yellow circle, and it says Events underneath. Click on that, and you should see these orange or yellow blocks. And one says When Space Key Pressed. Click on that with your mouse and drag it into the middle of your screen and let go. Now we want to make our cat say something when we press the space key. Go back to the left-hand side of your screen and click the purple circle with the word looks underneath. At the very top, you should see a block that says Say Hello for 2 seconds. Click on that, drag it, and carefully drop it underneath the yellow or orange block that you placed first of all. You will see that when you let go, it should automatically connect to the bottom. If it doesn't, don't worry, just click and carefully line it up again. There's a little notch that should fit in, and it should lock in automatically. Now we can test this. Press the spacebar on your keyboard. There we go, my cat's saying hello. Now you will notice that the word hello disappears after 2 seconds. If we look at the purple block that we've just put in, we can change that. We can make it shorter or longer. That's our very first simple interactive animation. We'll do more in the next video. What we'd like you to do now is go to the top of the screen, click File, and either Save, which will save it if you've logged in, or Save to your computer if you haven't logged in. This will download it to your computer, and we can open it again next time we want to make a change.